wonder, we passed to London now. That's interesting. We're getting in here. Hey guys, the London Street, is that up there, the London? Huh?
Yes.
This is the London?
Yes.
Okay.
Why, my friend? Why?
Huh?
Why?
I'm trying to find the place I lived for many years ago. I tried to find the
How many years?
6
6 years?
5, 6 years. It's down here somewhere. All right. Thank you. So, but I think we might have. Yeah. I'm sure we did. Well, we can cut over here somewhere. Because normally you came down and you made a left turn, but I think we they rerouted the roads. I haven't been down here in 5 years. Oh yeah. Yep. There's some open lots in here too. Down on the outskirts. Yeah. Yeah, this is where we stayed. We just walked right by it because they had changed the routes of the road a little bit. So they made. I haven't been down here in 5 years. You know. So they changed the routes a little bit, and this is where we lived actually. All right. And before, yeah, I'm having the camera on, right? You see the red dot? Oh, okay.
The red.
All right.
Red dots on.
Yeah, and one of the reasons I didn't recognize it also is all this here, right, was totally unpaved.
Yeah.
This road was paved. About 5 years ago. It was dirt road here when we lived here. And the last few months of us staying here, they came in and paved this one. This, as last as 2 years ago, was unpaved. You know, if you go over here and down this way, before you get down here and make a left at the very end,
Yes.
then you have a market, and they had a bridge there, but the bridge has now collapsed. So we drove down here, came down with a trike, and jumped over the bridge. Now you got to go all the way up to. What is it called?
MacArthur?
No, yeah, MacArthur for sure, and then almost all the way up to halfway between Madison and halfway in between there, you go in there and go down inside Mountain View.
Mountain View to go through.
Yeah, so then you come up here through the back roads. So that bridge was tore down. And I even drove over there with my motorcycle, and the bridge was like flipping. So that's it. Yeah. So let's head back.
You want to take this road over here?
Now we can go here. We'll come back this way. Hello. What are you soliciting? I don't even have a wallet with me today. Okay, thank you guys. Next time. Short solicitation. Yeah, so this is part of my first experience of living in Philippines in this quarter, and it's really nice. People here are friendly. The rent for a 2-bedroom that we lived there was like $5,000 a month. Not even $100 a month, you know.
Just remember that for the Philippines, for the Filipinos, it's still a lot of money.
Yeah. Oh yeah. No doubt. All right. Yeah. So we came in here. Normally we go out this way now. So I was thinking we'll take a little route. Take a little route here, and then we walk up towards the other gate.
And then we walk up to the mall.
And then we can walk up to the mall from that gate.
Yeah, this is the other street.
Yeah. Huh?
Little girls,
Yeah.
so beautiful.
Yeah.
The children in the Philippines are amazingly beautiful.
Yeah, they are. Anyway, so we are right on the perimeter of Barangay Duquit also. So the home site and Duquit goes together. All right. So then we are heading up. See, if you go down here, right?
It's a brand Iglesia Ni Cristo, brand new.
Right. Well, that church is old, but it's repainted just now.
Okay.
Let's go here. And take a look down here. Right, so you have Barangay Duquit border is right there.
Yes.
So this is the home site, the other way, and here is the. If you look down that way, there's the other entrance into here.
From
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, actually it's that street down there. If you go left and up, that's the entrance. Right, but we're gonna head to the other entrance.
Headed towards City Mall.
Towards the City Mall, yeah.
There are a lot of improvements.
Oh yeah. No, there's a lot of improvements that's taking place right now. If there's one thing that was good with Duterte becoming the president, it seemed like infrastructure got a boom at that point. So they're investing a lot of money in there.
In infrastructure, which is necessary.
Yeah, roads, and even the barangays and the communities, subdivisions are chipping in and really doing great job. I like that that facade on their house. Yeah, pretty cool. Huh? Yeah, and it's pretty. I mean, I look at the colors, you know. Yeah, this is something different. Yeah, that's a nice structure too. All right, so Coming up in this here, right? Yeah. This is a little clinic. And up there is like a third entrance into this area. So and SNR is right around the corner there.
Yeah.
So, but we're gonna try to walk up here, and this will take you to the first main entrance. And this road coming down this way is the road that actually goes, if you turn around and drive all the way and you get into Barangay Duque. Yeah.
Constant home improvements.
Yeah. Fixing gates. That is good. And if you go down this way, this is where we came in. How's your leg?
That's fine. It's just swollen. It feels better when I walk than when I stay static.
Yeah, Humberto is doing a walk with me today.
Hi everybody.
And he had surgery about a year ago. He got what do you call it?
MRSA, horrible infection.
Horrible infection. They had to take out 1/3 of his upper, what do you call it?
The abductor muscle.
Abductor muscle.
2/3.
2/3 they had to take out.
I went into, I had a bursitis in the knee. They extracted some fluid and then injected me with a little cortisone, and where the injection site of the cortisone started burning within a few hours of the injection. A week later, the leg was so swollen that I couldn't walk. It was very painful.
Right.
When I went to get my MRI, they put me into the emergency room right away. And the next day I had emergency surgery.
And you remember who forced you to go there?
Yeah.
To the hospital?
Yeah. Anyways.
The little older brother Shell, was
Yeah.
there and telling you have to go.
I know, he saved my life, in other words. If I waited another day, I
Yeah.
would have lost my leg, possibly my life.
Yeah.
This
Yeah, that
MRSA infection was nasty.
Yep, that was traumatic.
And next time you have a bursitis, don't even go to a hospital. Just call the doctor and maybe take a Tylenol or something, because it's, believe me, if you go to a hospital, you're exposing yourself to
Right.
nasty things. That's a lesson, hard lesson. But the more you look into it and research it like I have, the more you find out that going to a hospital is best to avoid
Unless you, yeah, you can get it in any hospital, but I must say that Clark City,
Yeah,
Clark Medical Center,
they saved my life.
they saved your life for sure.
I can't say good enough things about Medical City Clark.
All right.
They have good doctors. They have good facilities, they're clean. The staff treated me like family, even though I'm far away from my own family. My children are
Right.
in the U.S. going to school and working. They're busy. I didn't want them to come, but the staff treated me like if I was a family member. That's one thing about the Philippines.
Right.
The nurses in the Philippines, the Philippine nurses, in my opinion, are amongst the best in the world. They treat you like you're a family member.
Yeah.
They do it with love and feelings and true care.
Right.
Can't say enough good things about the care that I got. The doctors. It was all female staff too.
Right. Oh, I bet you like that.
I did fall in love with a couple of nurses. No names, but
A little footnote. Umberto falls in love almost every time he sees a woman.
a beautiful woman, quote unquote.
Quote unquote, yeah. Yeah. All right. We're almost up here at the gate. And here's a little garbage corner. This is one of the back gates where we started the journey today.
Children are so friendly. Everybody says hello. Everybody says thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
They're very polite.
Hello.
That's one good thing you see that the parents are doing. They're teaching their kids right.
Yeah, they're teaching their kids to be respectful of older people. That is lacking in many countries today, including the United States. Respect, decency, and honesty.
What's your favorite? What's the girl's name? Your favorite Democrat?
Candice? Candice. Yeah, Candice is her first name. I don't remember her last name. We have done a full circle. And folks, we are wrapping this one up right now. We're gonna go and have some lunch and maybe shoot another one later on this afternoon. You take care, God bless. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell.
I hope you enjoyed walking with us. It's a lot of fun to walk around and see people. And
it sure does give you the exercise though.
Oh yeah.
And that's a good part.
God bless everyone.
All right, God bless everyone. Bye-bye.